Hi dear children, welcome to our new maths class. Then today we are going to study about large numbers. Before that, just to recall our previous classes, first class we learned how to write number names of 5-digit numbers. How to write the number names of 5-digit numbers. Just to recall. Okay, first we can write the place value chart of 5-digit numbers. The place value chart of 5-digit numbers. Which are the places? Every time right side itself we want to start. Okay, right side we have which number? Right to left. Right side we want to write ones. Then left of the ones we have tens. Left of the tens we have 100. Left of the 100 we have 1000. Left of the 1000 we have 10,000. This is the place value chart of 5-digit numbers. Okay. Then now we can see how to read the number names of 5-digit numbers. Listen here. Here I will write 5-digit number. 5-digit number. We can see how to read. Before that, just we can divide it into how many parts? Okay, 5-digit number we can divide it into how many parts? First part tens and ones together, then second part 100, then third part 1000 and 10,000 together. Then first part ones and tens together, second part hundreds, then third part 1000 and 10,000 together. Then this is in one family. Okay, 1000 and 10,000 is in one family. Then we can see how to read. Then in the 1000 family we have which number? Number 28. Then write here 28. TWENTY. 28. EIGHT. This is number 28. This 28 stand in which place? This is in which family? 1000 family. Then you write 28,000. 28,000. The next part, which is the next part? 100. There we have which number? Number 3. Then write here 3. THREE. 3 stand in which place? 100. This is in 100 place. Then you write 300. HUNDRED. 300. Next to every time I told you the last place we want to read together. Tens and ones we want to read together. Then here we have which number? Number 16. Don't read 1 and 6. That is wrong. Together want to read. This is which number? 16. Then write here 16. 16. That means 28,300 and 16. This part we want to read together. This way we can write the number names of 5-digit number. Then after we can see how to write the numerals. How to write the numerals. Numerals means number. That means I will give you number name. That number name we want to change to numerals. Okay, we can see how to change number names into numerals. Okay, numerals. Numerals means what? Number. Okay, 24,600 and 74. Very simple. First what we want to do? First we want to write the place value chart. Okay, place value chart. Right side we have ones, then tens together. Next part 100, then next part 1000 and 10,000 together. This is the place value chart of 5-digit number. After we want to look here, we know every time right to left we want to write the numbers. Every time right to left. This pattern we want to use. Here you know 24,000. 24,000. Here we have how many digit? 2 digit. 24. Every time right side we have which number? That number want to write in right side. That means which number? Right side we have 4. Then left side we have which number? 2. That is 24. Then this is in which family? 1000. That is 24,000. Then 100 place we have which number? 6. Then last one 74. 74. Here we know right side which number, left side which number. Right side we have 4. Right here 4. Left side we have which number? 7. That is 74. Ones and tens place. Once we have 4. Tens place we have 7. Okay. That means 24,674. Children, some students have doubt how to write the numerals of 5-digit numbers. Numerals of 5-digit numbers. One more I will explain. Listen here. Suppose this like is your number name. 8,000. 8,400 and 74. 74. Okay. This is the number name I given to you. First what we want to do, write the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. 1000 and 10,000. Look, here we have only how many thousand? Only 8,000. Okay, only 8,000. Some students write this like 10,000 column 8, then 1000 column 0. Okay, this just to look how to read this number. How to read this number? In 1000 family, we have which number now? This is 80. Number 80. But look your number name. Here we have only 8,000. Only 8,000. This is number 8. What is the difference? Then tens place you write 8. Then 1000 place we wrote 0. Then what is this? We can read 80,000. Then your question is 8,000. Then what we want to do? Here you know only single digit number. Here 8,000. Here only 8,000 means this is the single digit number. That 8 you want to write in which position? 1000 place. Now you read this. This is what? 8,000. Okay. 8,000. Then next we have 100 place. We have which number? 4. Then next one 74. Then once again you read your number name is correct or not. Okay. Look here how to read this. 8,474. Then some students write this way. 10,000 place you write 8. Then 1000 place you put 0. Then how to read? This is 80,000. 80,474. Then your answer is wrong. Find the difference. 8,000 means that is the single digit number. There is only 8. That number you want to write in 1000 place. That means 10,000 place we have 0. That means this is 8. Okay, this is 8,000. We have 2-digit number. Okay, 18,000. We have 18,000. Then we can write in one right side we have which number? That you can write in 1000 place. Left we have which number? That you can write in left place of the 1000 family. Okay. Now we have only single digit number. Every time you want to write that right side of that family. Okay. Then we have 2-digit number. Then what we want to do? Right side we have which number? That number you write in right side of this family. Then left side we have which number? That number you write in left side of that family. I hope you understand. Okay. Then next one. Next one we learn which is the single digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number. That means greatest single digit number is 19, greatest 2-digit number is 29, greatest 3-digit number 39, greatest 4-digit number 49, greatest 5-digit number is 59. Okay, up to this we learned in our previous classes. Okay, children, which is the greatest 5-digit number? That is 59. That is 59. This is the greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number 59. This is the greatest 5-digit number. Okay. Now we can move our topic large numbers. Large numbers. This is our topic large numbers. Large numbers. larger numbers. Okay, this is our topic, larger numbers. We know the last class we learned which is the greatest 5-digit number, which is the greatest 5-digit number, 59, that is 99,999. This is the greatest 5-digit number. Then this 5-digit number plus 1, we get which number? Okay, we get which number? 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, we can write 0 here, then 1 carry next place. Then 9 plus 1, 10. Then another one we can carry next place. 9 plus 1, 10, 0 we can write here, 1 carry next place. 9 plus 1, 10, 0 we can write here, then 1 we can carry next place, then 9 plus 1, 10. Look here, this is how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6-digit number. That means greatest 5-digit number plus 1, we get smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number. Which is the smallest 6-digit number? Okay, here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. The last class we learned up to this. Okay, that means we know ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, look here, we have one more room is here. Okay, we have one more room is here. We know up to which number? 5-digit. We know up to the place value chart of 5-digit number. That we already learned. Here we have ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, after one more number is here. Then what we want to do? We don't know how to read this place. Okay, we don't know how to read this place. We know up to 10,000. Okay, we can see the name of that new room. The name of that new room. Are you ready? Then look here. Children, now we get the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, smallest 6-digit number. What is our smallest 6-digit number? That means greatest 5-digit number, greatest 5-digit number plus 1, then 9 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 0, then carry 1, 9 plus 1, 0, then 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 we can write here, 1 we can carry, 9 plus 1, then 10, 0 we can write here, another one we can carry next place, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 we can write, then another one we can write in next place, then 9 plus 1, 10, we can write 0 here, then 1 we can carry next place, then 9 plus 1, then what is that? 10. Okay, how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. This is our smallest 6-digit number. That means 1 followed by how many 0? 1 followed by 50. 1 followed by 50. This is our smallest 6-digit number, smallest 6-digit number, smallest 6-digit number, that is 1 followed by 50. We already learned our previous classes which is the smallest single digit number, 1. Which is the smallest single digit number, 1. Which is the smallest 2-digit number, 1 followed by 10. Which is the smallest 3-digit number, 1 followed by 2 zeros. Smallest 4-digit number, 1 followed by 4 digit, then 30, only 30. Smallest 5-digit number, 1 followed by 40. Then smallest 5-digit number, we have only 40, 1 followed by 40. Then now we learn smallest 6-digit number. 6 digit is here. Then we want to write how many zeros? 5 digits. Okay, 5 zeros. 5 0. 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0. This is smallest 6-digit number. Now we can see the place value chart of 6-digit number. Now we can see the place value chart of 6-digit number. Place value chart of 6-digit number. That is very simple. We already learned up to 5-digit number. We know for right side we have ones, left of the ones we have tens, left of the tens we have 100, then 1000 and 10,000. Then one more place is here. We can see name of that new room. Okay, listen here. First we have ones, then tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. This is the place value chart of 5-digit number. Then we need one more new room. That is the place value chart of 6-digit number. Which is the smallest 6-digit number? 1 followed by how many 0? 50. 1 followed by 50. Here look. Here up to 10,000 only. Okay. We have one more new room is here. Okay, how to read name of this room? We don't know how to read name of this room. Okay, we can see what is the name of this new room. Okay, first we have ones, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Children, name of our new room is lakh. What is that? Lakh. Then 10,000 left of 10,000 we have which room? Lakh. What is the spelling of lakh? L. Okay, lakh spelling L-A-K-H. Lakh. L-A-K-H. Now we can see the place value chart of 6-digit number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. This is the place value chart of 6-digit number. Okay, now we can see how to read number name of 6-digit numbers. Very simple. Okay, we can divide this 6-digit number into how many parts? First we know tens and ones, then 100, then 1000, then lakhs family. Okay, now children, now we can take these 100 and tens and ones together. Okay, 100, tens and ones we want to take together. Okay, hundreds, tens and ones place we can take together. Next one, 1000 and 10,000 together. Another part is what? Lakh. We know, listen here. Then ones, tens, 100 together. Then 1000 and 10,000 together. Next part, lakh. Then read this. How many lakhs here? Only one. That is in which place? Lakh. That is 1 lakh. Then other place, just look, here is 000. Okay, 00. That means name of this number. That means 1 followed by 50. Name of this number is what? 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. What is the spelling of lakh? L-A-K-H. Now we can see how to read the large numbers. Okay. First we know the place value chart of large numbers. 6-digit numbers we know. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. The left of the 10,000 we have which number? Lakh. Then one more place we can learn now. Okay, in Indian system of numeration, lakh. Okay, lakh. This is in Indian system of numeration. Okay, Indian system of numeration. How to read in this topic, large numbers. In this topic, we can see how to read the number names of large numbers. How to read the number names of large numbers in Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, otherwise Indian place value chart. Very simple. We already learned the Indian place value chart. That means first we have ones, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, then one more place is there, then 10 lakh. Okay, this is the place value chart of Indian system of numeration. How to read large numbers? In Indian system of numeration. Otherwise, in Indian place value chart. We can see Indian place value chart. Otherwise, Indian system of numeration. This is very simple. We already learned that place value chart. Okay, which are the places? First we have ones, then next we have tens, then next we have 100, then 1000 and 10,000, lakh. Okay, then one more place we have, then 10 lakh. Okay, then how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We already learned 6-digit number. Now we can include one more digit, that is 7-digit number, that is 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Children, one more place is here, crore. One more place is here, crore. Then now in this year we can study up to 10 lakh. We can study up to 10 lakh. Okay, we can see the place value chart of Indian system of numeration. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now we have two new rooms. Name of that new room is lakh and 10 lakh. Lakh and 10 lakh. I will write here some digit. Okay, how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit numbers. 7-digit numbers. We can see how to read the number names of large numbers, otherwise 7-digit numbers. The number names of 7-digit numbers. Very simple. We know the place value chart in Indian system of numeration. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. All of you together we want to tell that one. First we have ones. The left of the ones we have tens, left of the tens we have 100, left of the 100 we have 1000, left of the 1000 we have 10,000, left of the 10,000 we have lakh, then left of the lakh we have 10 lakh. Okay, children, now we can see how to read. Now we can see how to read. Okay, very simple. Children, before that we can divide the large numbers into how many parts? Okay, first we can divide ones, tens and hundreds together. The last class we divided tens and ones together, 100 is in another part. Okay, in the case of large numbers we can take hundreds, tens and ones together. Okay, hundreds, tens and ones together. This is in ones. Okay, ones period. This is in which period? Ones period. This is in which period? Ones period. Okay, then next we have 1000 family. Okay, 1000 period. Which period? 1000 period. This is in 1000 period. The last one, third part we have which number? Lakh. Lakh. Okay, lakh periods. Lakh period. Then one more place is here, crore. Okay, but in this year we can study up to 10 lakh. That's enough. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 together, lakh and 10 lakh together. Okay, now we can read the ones period. We have which places? Ones, tens, 100. Okay, ones, tens, 100. This we want to read together. Okay, now we can see how to write the number name of this number in the Indian place value chart. Okay, Indian system of numeration. Very simple. Here we know lakh and 10 lakh together. Here which number? Read this number. This is which number? 88. Then write here 88. Very simple. 88. Then this 88 stand in which family? I already told this is in which family? Lakh. That means lakh. 88 lakh. Spelling of lakh L-A-K-H. L-A-K-H. 88 lakh. Then 1000 place we have which number? 32. Then write here 32. T-H-I-R-T-Y 32. T-W-O 32. Then together this is in which family? 1000. That is 32,000. Then after I told you these tens and hundreds, tens and ones we want to read together. In the 5-digit number we can separate ones and tens and 100 is another, then 1000 and 10,000 together. But here we can take 100 and tens and ones together. That is in ones family. Okay. Then how to read this number? 100 place we have which number? 8. That means 800, 800, 800. Okay, 800. Then every time this last part we want to read together. Tens and ones we want to read together. This is which number? 99. Don't read 9 and 9. That is wrong. 99. Every time ones and tens part we want to read together. There is no doubt. Okay. Then tens and ones together. That is 899. 99. Okay. First we know, we already learned tens and ones and tens we want to read together. Then another part is 100. Now we can take 100 tens and ones is in which period? Ones period. Okay. Then 1000 and 10,000 is in which period? 1000 period. Lakh and 10 lakh in which period? Lakhs period. Okay. Then one more example we can see how to read the number names. Okay, how to read the number names of large numbers in Indian system of numeration, otherwise according to Indian place value chart. Okay, this is our topic, large numbers. In this topic we can study how to read the number names of large numbers in Indian system of numeration, otherwise Indian according to Indian place value chart. We know the place value chart of Indian system of numeration. First we have ones, tens, 100, then 1000, then 10,000. The next we have lakh. Left of the lakh we have 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Left of the we have 10 lakh. Okay. Ones. Listen here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. This we already learned our previous classes. Today we learn how many rooms? About 2 rooms. That is lakh and 10 lakh. Lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. Then how to read the number names of large numbers? I will write here some digit. Okay. Here we have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit numbers. Now we know how to read the number name of 7 digit numbers. Very simple. First we want to know about place value chart. Okay, so about place value chart of 7 digit numbers, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Then very simple. Okay, first what we want to do? We can divide first ones period. Which is the ones period? 100 tens and ones together. Okay, hundreds, tens and ones. This is in ones period. The next one 1000 period. Which is the 1000 period? 10,000 and 1000 period. 10,000 and 1000. This is in 1000 period. Which is in lakhs period. Then lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, that is in lakh period. That means family. 1000 family we have which places 1000 and 10,000. The lakhs family we have which places lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, this only. Then after we can see how to read this number name. Okay, this is which number? This is which number? 88. Right here EIGHTY. 88. EIGHTY. 88. EIGHT. 88. This is in which family? Which family? 10 lakh and lakhs together is in which family? Lakhs family. Then right here lakh. 88 lakh. Next we have 1000 family. 1000 family we have which number? This is which number? Number 13. Right here 13. THIRTEEN. Number 13. 13 stand in which place? 1000. That is 13,000. Every time these places also want to write together. Otherwise your answer is wrong. 13. Then same time together we want to write the place of that number. That is 13,000. Then last part and this part together we want to read. This is which number? This is which number? 832. That means 800 and tens and ones we want to read together. Okay, 800 and 32. This we want to read together. 32. THIRTY. 32. Very simple. Okay, 32. 88 lakh. 13,000 and 832. 832. Now we can see one more example. One more example. Before that, children, just to recall our place value chart of Indian system of numeration. This is our topic, large numbers. Large numbers. In this topic, we learn how to read the number names in Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. That means Indian place value chart. Which is the place value chart? First we have ones, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Then first we have ones period which is the places ones, tens, 100 together. Then 1000 periods we have which places 1000 and 10,000 together. Lakhs period we have which places lakhs and 10 lakhs together. This is in Indian system of numeration. Place value chart of Indian system of numeration. That means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then one more place is there 100, but in this year we can study one more place is there, that is crore, but in this year we can study up to 10 lakh. Okay, then place value chart ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, this is in one period, this is in another period, this is in ones period. Okay, this is ones period, this is 1000 period, this is lakhs period. Okay, according to this we can read the number name of large numbers. Listen here. Now I will give you some question, some activity. Just you look here. 8, 2, 8, 3, 4, 9, 6, 3. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Okay, 7 digits enough. Then next one, second question, 4, 8, 3, 2, 9, 6, 1. Here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then one more digit. Okay, here we have 6 digit number. Okay, how to read number name of these digits? Okay, we can see here we have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. Here we have 7 digit number. How to read number name of this 7 digit number? Very simple. First what we want to do? First we want to write the place value chart. That means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, this only. First we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Okay, this is the place value chart of Indian system of numeration. Okay, then after we can write the digits. Okay, after we can write the digits below the place value chart. Every time I told you, every time right side itself we want to place. Right side itself. Okay, these 3 we want to write in ones place. Ones place we have which number? Number 3. Then tens place we have which number? 6. Then 100 place we have which number? 9. Then 1000 place we have which number? 4. Then 10,000 place we 10,000 place we have which number? Number 3. Then lakhs place we have which number? Number 8. Then 10 lakh place we have which number? Number 2. This way we want to write the place numbers below the place value chart. Right side we have which number? That you write in ones place. Left of the ones we have which number? That you write in tens place. Left of the tens we have which number? That you write in 100 place. Then every time right to left. Right to left. After we can divide. Okay, how many part? First part, that is ones period, hundreds, tens and ones together. Then second part 1000 and 10,000 together. Third part lakh and 10 lakh together. Okay, I hope you understand. First part hundreds, tens, ones together. Second part 1000 and 10,000 together. Third part lakh and 10 lakh together. Okay, this also we can, ones also we can divide every time tens and ones we want to read together. Okay, then after we can read the, here which number? Here which number? Which is the number here? 28. Right here 28. TWENTY. 28. 28. This is number 28. Each place we want to put commas. Okay, this is lakh place. There you use comma. Then next one 1000 and 10,000. After we want to use comma. Then next part and ones part we have together 963. That is 963 we can take together. Okay, that means lakh and 10 lakh after one comma, 1000 and 10,000. Then after we want to put one more comma. The next one 100 tens ones together. Okay, here 28. This 28 stand in which place? Lakh. That is 28 lakh. Then next one we have which place? 1000. 1000, here we have which number? 34. THIRTY, 34, FOUR. This 34 stand in which place? 1000. 34,000. Next, this number we want to read together. That is 100 place we have which number? 9. 900. HUNDRED. 900. Then tens and ones every time we want to take together. That is 963. 63. Don't read this like 63. That is wrong. This is in 100 place, you write 900. Then tens and ones every time you want to read together. That means 63. That means 28,34,963. Together 963. We can see the next part. Here we have 7-digit number. Okay, first what we want to do? The place value chart. First we want to write the place value chart of Indian system of numeration, otherwise Indian place value chart. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, the lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, very simple. First place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. This is our first step. Okay, the place value chart. Then after what we want to do? After this digit we want to place below the place value chart. Okay, we know the ones, first place. Every time right side we have which number? Ones place. Ones place we have which number? 1. That you write in below the ones place. Then second left of the ones we have which number? 6. Every time right to left we want to write. The next we have 6. 100 place we have 9. Then 1000 place we have 2, 10,000 place we have 3, lakhs place we have 8, then 10 lakhs place we have 4. This is our first step. Our first step, write the place value chart according to Indian system of numeration. Then our second step, each number we want to place below the place value chart. Okay, every time right side we have which number, that you want to write in the right side only. That means ones place we have which number? Ones place only we can write. Tens place we have which number? That you write below the tens place. 100 place we have which number? That number we want to write below the hundreds place, like that. Okay. Then next part, the third step is we can divide. How many parts? 3 parts. Okay. This, how many digits here? 7 digit. This 7 digit we can divide it into 3 parts. First one, ones period. Ones period, that is what? Hundreds, tens and ones together. We learn tens and ones together. That is, look here, that is 8 digits, 9 digits. That is no problem. Every time we take tens and ones together, according to this period, now we can write hundreds, tens and ones together. That is in which period? Ones period. Ones period. Okay. Ones period we have which places? Ones, tens, 100. That is in ones period. Then next we have which period? 1000. Thousands period we have which places? 1000 and 10,000. This is in 1000 period. Okay. Next we have which number? Lakhs. Okay, this is in lakhs period. Okay, lakhs period, 1000 period, ones period. This is the 3 part. After we can read the number name of this digit. Very simple. Lakhs place we have which number? 48. Right here 48. What is the spelling of 40? Not FOUR. That is then FORTY. This is our modern term. 40. FORTY. 48. EIGHT. 48. 48 stand in which place? Lakh. LAKH. 48 lakh. Next we have which place? 1000. Next we have which place? 1000. 1000 place we have which number? Number 32. Right here 32. THIRTY. 32. THIRTY TWO. 32. This 32 stand in which place? 1000. Then together every time place also we want to write together 32,000. Don't forget that. Okay, 32,000. Next we know 100 place we have which number? 900. 900. Then we know every time tens and ones we want to read together. That is 961. 961. Then we can see 48, lakh. Correct, 48 lakh. Every time one more check your answer. Your answer is right or wrong. Look here. Here we have 48. Yes, correct, 48. This is in which place? Lakh. Okay, that also here. That is 48 lakh. Next we have 32. That is in which place? 1000. Okay, 32,000. Correct. Next one, we know ones period we have which number? 100 tens and ones together. That is how many 100 here? 900. Every time tens and ones we want to read together. That is 961. Your answer is correct. This way every time when you write the question and answer, one more check your answer. One more read the number name of your answer. Okay, then after you can compare your question and your answer is matching. Okay, look here, 48 lakh, 32,000 and 961. The next part, look here, 3, 2, 6, 4, 8. Here how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. First what we want to do? Write the place value chart. Then ones, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, lakh and 10 lakh. Sorry, lakh and 10 lakh. Lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, then how to write? Every time right to left. Here we have which number? 3. Then left of the 3 we have which number? 8. Left of the 8, 4. The next one, 6. Next one, 2. Then up to lakh only. Not 10 lakh here. Okay, up to lakh. Then very simple. First what we want to do? We can divide it how many part? 3 part. Okay, the ones period, then 1000 period, the next one lakh period. Lakh period we have which number? 0. Okay, now we can see how to read. Very simple. The lakhs period we have which number? Here we have only 3. Children, here you may look, here we have only single digit number. That is in which place we want to write? Lakhs period. Every time we have single digit number, that where we want to write right side of that place. Right side of that place. Remember that? Then 1000 place also. Here we have only 6. Every time that 6 we want to write the right side of that place. Okay. Here we have only 3. That is 3 lakh. 3 lakh. Then here 1000 place we have which number? 26. 3 lakh. 26. 26,000. 26,000. Next this part we want to read together. That means 400. F-O-U-R. 400. 400. Next part 83. Together. Tens and ones together. 483. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 83. T-H-R-E-E. 83. Okay, then I hope you understand how to write the number names of large numbers in Indian system of numeration, otherwise Indian place according to Indian place value chart. We know the place value chart of Indian system of numeration: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Left of 10 lakh we have crore. But in this class, okay, in this year we want to study up to which number? 10 lakh, only 10 lakh. Okay. Then ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. Then after we have which number? After we have how many digit? That digit you want to place below the place value chart. Okay. After we know the periods, first we have ones period, that is 100, tens, ones together. Then next we have 1000 family, that is in 1000 and 10,000 together. Next we have lakh, that is lakh and 10 lakh together. Okay. Children, I hope you understand this topic, how to write the number names of large numbers according to Indian system of numeration. Okay, now it's time for an activity. Look here, this way we want to write in your notebook. First write the topic large numbers, large numbers. Then second we want to write the heading Indian place value chart, otherwise Indian system of numeration, Indian place value chart. After we want to draw this like column, then we want to place place value chart of Indian system of numeration. After you want to write the activity. This is your activity. Write the number names of the following numbers according to Indian system of numeration. This pattern we want to keep. Okay, heading large numbers. Then second your topic Indian place value chart. then this down you want to draw this picture, then after 1 2 you write your question, write the number names of the following numbers according to Indian system of numeration. Here I wrote 2 question, then 68, 32, 481, then 98, 12 and 999. Okay, look, write the place value chart, below that chart you write the digits, after find the number names of this digit. Okay, I hope you understand. That's all for today. Okay, thank you.